Hello, my name is Marcello Banes, the Chairman of the Board of Commissioners here in Newton County. And I want to take this opportunity to welcome you to the Chairman's Corner. Today I'm featuring our road department. I have with me today our transportation superintendent, Mr. Chester Clegg. Chester's going to come in and he's going to describe some of the things that he does in our road department. So let's hear from Chester today.
Thank you, Mr. Chairman. Well, as you know, Public Works maintains over 780 miles of county roads. Now, we don't maintain state routes like State Route 81 and 162. That's owned by the state. But resurfacing is a major part of our maintenance program. And, you know, we try to do the majority of the resurfacing with our own crews and our own equipment. And as you can see from behind us, our crews are working today out here on Johnson Road. Well, just to give you an idea, it costs between $100,000 and $150,000 per linear mile to resurface a road that's in poor condition.
Chester, thank you for that information. Chester, I get so many calls and so many emails from citizens asking how can I get my road paved? How can I get my road resurfaced? Could you tell us what's the county process of getting that done so the citizens will know how they can go about getting their road on a resurfacing list? Can you explain that process for us today, please?
Well, sure. In 2019, Public Works hired a consultant called Road Stewards to come and grade all of our county roads, the condition of the pavement. And they used a scale from 1 to 100. And the Public Works Transportation Department uses that grading of each road to determine which roads make it on the next year's paving list. Now we have a lot of requests for paving of subdivision streets, and you know while we do prioritize our high-speed roads because they deteriorate quicker, and they also it's a safety issue. We certainly appreciate the requests that we get for subdivision street paving. If you have a street that needs to be, that you feel like you want to get on the list, you can do several things. You can go on our website, the Public Works, and file a paving request. And we have a form on there you can do that with. The second thing, you can just call Public Works and tell us that you believe that a particular road needs to be paved, and our engineering department will go out and take a look at it. We'll look at the grading on the Road Steward's evaluation and determine if we can, in fact, get it on the next year's list.
I want to take this opportunity to thank you, Chester, today for sharing with us in the Chairman's Corner. Our citizens need to know this information. This is valuable information. Like I said, I get so many calls and so many emails concerning our roads, and you know, how do a person get their road resurfaced? And you did a great job of explaining that. So thank you today for joining us today in the Chairman's Corner. And I would like to thank the citizens of Newton County for allowing us, for funding our road department, to making sure that we have great people such as Chester that work for the citizens of Newton County. So thank you, and thank you for joining our Chairman's Corner.